Welcome to the step-by-step guide for Aziot Prime Projector installation. Let's begin by unboxing the Aziot Prime Projector series. Inside the box, you will find the remote control. Note that batteries are not included, a power cord, an HDMI cable, a cleaning brush, and the Aziot Prime Projector itself. Additionally, a user manual is provided to help guide you through the setup process. This is the power button. On the back side of the projector, you will find multiple ports, including a USB port, an AUX port, an AV port, an HDMI port, and a power port. To start, place the projector on a stable surface such as a table and connect the power cable. You can switch on the projector using the power button on the device or the remote control. For seamless control, ensure the remote is pointed towards the back side of the projector. Turn off the lights and let the show begin. This is how your screen will look. Let's take a look at the remote control functions. Press the focus button to adjust the screen clarity. Use the plus and minus buttons to fine-tune the focus. The volume keys allow you to adjust the sound level. This button is the virtual mouse, which is essential for navigating apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Amazon Prime. Press the back button to return to the previous screen. You will see various options, including My Apps, Settings, Media, App Store, Networks, Play Store, Netflix, YouTube, Cast Screen, and Source. Navigate to Settings. The first option is Network, where you can connect the projector to an available Wi-Fi network. The second option is Bluetooth settings, which allow you to pair the projector with Bluetooth devices like speakers. The language setting lets you select your preferred operational language. The date and time setting enables you to configure the correct date and time for the projector. Projection settings play a crucial role in optimizing your viewing experience. The first setting under this menu is Auto Rotate, which can be set to auto or manual. When enabled, the screen will automatically adjust to the correct position when the projector is ceiling mounted or placed on a table. In manual mode, adjustments need to be made under the projection mode option. Projection mode provides different orientation settings. Rotate front. Select this mode when placing the projector in front of the screen for standard viewing. Rotate ceiling. Choose this setting when mounting the projector on the ceiling in front of the screen. Rotate rear. Use this mode when positioning the projector behind the screen for rear projection setups. Rotate rear ceiling. Opt for this setting when mounting the projector on the ceiling behind the screen. The keystone option helps correct image distortion when the projector is not perfectly aligned with the screen. You can set it to auto or adjust it manually. If manual mode is selected, screen distortion can be corrected using quadrangular trapezoid or simple trapezoid adjustments. Use the directional keypad to fine-tune the screen alignment. The zoom function allows you to increase or decrease the screen size according to your preference. Under audio settings, you can adjust the sound output to your liking. In other settings, you will find options for device updates, system information, and online upgrades. Advanced settings provide additional customization options. The Restore option allows you to reset the projector to its factory settings. App Management enables you to manage installed applications. Under My Apps, you can access different applications. The Media section allows you to play content stored on external devices such as USB flash drives. The App Store provides access to all Google Play apps, enabling you to install your favorite streaming and entertainment apps effortlessly. The Cast Screen feature includes two options: Mirror Cast, which allows you to mirror your mobile or laptop screen, and Emotion Cast, which enables screencasting using an Emotion device. The Source option lets you connect external input devices via HDMI or AV input for an enhanced viewing experience. Now, let's check the picture and sound quality. Enjoy your immersive viewing experience with the Aziot Prime Projector. Thanks for watching. For any further queries, contact our support.